People celebrate Navratri in various ways. Some of them play Garba, some of them keep fast for 9 days. Similarly, the South Indians have their own way of celebrating this festival. It is called as Bomai Kolu.
During the festival of Navratri, it is usually in South Indian culture to display a Kolu, or also called as Golu. Kolu is an exhibition of various dolls kept at home. Giri Store is one of them who sells such kind of dolls for the Golu season.
I belong to this organization, Giri Trading Agency Private Limited, and this is a 50-plus-year-old organization. As you all know, Navratri comes during the September-October month, and mostly predominantly South Indian Brahmins. And during this period, Navratri is celebrated with decorating dolls on steps, like odd number steps, like what you can see here. And then idols of gods and goddesses are decorated.
People purchase these various dolls and decorate it as an exhibition in odd numbers, usually 3, 5, 7 or 9. At the very first step is placed by three goddesses Lakshmi, Durga and Saraswati, followed by Krishna and Ganesha. Coming downwards, they give a social message and so on.
Basically, the Kolus are in odd numbers, 3 steps, 5 steps and 7 steps. The top couple of steps are for the goddesses, where you start with your Kula Devata and then you go into the generic gods like Ganesha, Krishna, Rama, things like that. As you come down the steps, you give social messages like a wedding or a cricket match, things like that. And the last step is usually the Chettiar and Chettiarchi, which is a South Indian grocer with all the groceries. And normally the kids keep a park which they want to do according to the theme they like. It can be a park, it can be a village scene, it can be a Teppakolam, whatever they want.
Like any festival, Kolu also has a significant connection with agriculture, economy of Asian India. When people come to a person's house to see the Kolu, usually they are given prasad, kumkum and small bag of gifts. These are only given to girls or married women. It is a traditional practice to have at least some wooden dolls decorated at home.
To invoke the blessings of gods for optimum health, long life, richness and peace and plenty. That's the main basic purpose, and children are given more importance.
There should also be a figure of a boy and a girl together called Marapachi for prosperity.
Marapachi is a wooden doll which is a must for Golu. Each and everybody, whoever starts first Golu. So when a girl gets married, the parents, the mother will give her one set of Marapachi as a gift in marriage. So that she will keep. It's a sign of prosperity.
Prayers are offered to thank God for the successful completion of that year's Kolu and with a hope of a successful one the next year. Then the Kolu is packed up for the next year.
Today I can say India is truly a diverse country because one festival is celebrated in so many different ways. The ways are different but the devotion towards goddesses is the same. I hope you all like this episode of Navrang Navratri. I'll be back to add on some more colors in your Navratri. Till then you keep watching Navrang Navratri.